There's another question out there about the native mesh importer, like Fluent.mesh file. And what I would say there is that one of the nice things about Cubit is that it allows you to create natively the for OpenFoam. So if you're converting from a Fluent mesh, generally you have to have Fluent on your machine. You've got to have Fluent or something on that order on the machine. And so you've got a few different ways of going about doing that. And the problem is if you're using Fluent, then generally you've invested in all the Fluent simulation training. So you got their mesher and you got Fluent itself. The nice thing about Cubit is it also generates grids for Fluent. It generates grids for OpenFoam. It generates grids for a number of different application packages. So that's what I would say. And in fact, there are other grid generators that you can use for OpenFoam. Gmesh is one. Again, it's fairly simple. It doesn't give you the flexibility that Cubit does, especially on the cleaning up your geometry. If you're getting something back from, for example, SolidWorks, and you convert that to a step file or a stat file, you're going to always run into small problems, either small slivers, things that aren't just quite right that you have to fix. And Cubit gives you that opportunity to fix those problems and generate the mesh once you got them fixed.